Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bar. How are you?
I'm pretty good, Chris. How you doing?
I'm okay. Good to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you too.
You got a book there, I see.
Yeah.
What are you reading?
Alice's Adventures in Wonderland.
Okay.
Yeah. Lewis Carroll.
Lewis Carroll. Lewis Carroll. I can't believe this. I just read a cocktail book last night about it was Harry Craig's book. He wrote a cocktail inspired by a Lewis Carroll poem.
Really?
Yeah.
Which one, Chris?
Jabberwocky?
Sure. Jabberwocky.
You know
I mean, that's a nonsense poem that Alice stumbles across in Through the Looking Glass, which is the sequel to Alice's Adventures in Wonderland.
Well, you really do know this.
Yeah, of course. I mean, it's a great classic.
Oh, well, I had no idea.
You know, a lot of people just think it's a children's book, but no, I mean, this is really deep, interesting stuff here from Lewis Carroll.
Oh, well, I'm glad you're here.
Yeah, I mean,
what a coincidence.
Well, I mean, what is the Jabberwocky? What's in it? What's in this? I'd love to know what's in this cocktail.
Unique spirits, gin, a dry gin, Lillet Blanc.
That's a fortified white wine.
It is
sweetened
very
up with
sweet.
Fruit.
You know it.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Also a sherry, a FIno Sherry,
yeah, I noticed
which
it's
is
a FIno.
which is dry.
It's very dry. You know.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, I hope that bottle's fresh. I know they don't last too long.
You know where it's from?
It's from Spain.
Wow.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I mean, okay. You're blowing my mind here.
Yeah, well, I mean, these are
incredible.
very interesting ingredients. I mean, I'd love to see how they all come together and create this Jabberwocky cocktail.
Well, let's make you the Jabberwocky.
Great.
You're the perfect clientele for this cocktail. We're gonna do 3/4 ounce of the dry London gin. This is all built in a mason glass. We're gonna do also 3/4 ounce of the Lillet Blanc. So this really reminds me of like a Sauvignon Blanc and a Riesling mixed.
It's extraordinarily sweet.
Correct. Yeah. The dry sherry, which this happens to be the driest of them all.
Really? I mean, this is strong flavor, this sherry.
Very strong. You always want to stir a sherry cocktail. And then 2 dashes of the orange bitters. We use Regan's today.
It's a great bitter.
It's
Excellent choice, Chris.
Oh, thank you. Super smart. Right. I love it. Now we're gonna add ice to this cocktail. And a bar spoon, we're gonna stir. And we're gonna stir until you see a little froth on the side of the glass.
You know, for this kind of a blue-collar bar, you have excellent technique.
Oh, thank you. We try, we're average,
You're really impressing me,
pub,
Chris.
but yeah, we have to adapt to all the times, and the craft cocktails, and all the good books.
On the
Well,
shop.
thank you. We're trying around here. We're trying. Chilled Coupe glass.
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Looks nice, right? Nice and cold, so it stays cold. And we're straight up, no ice. And then final step here, sir, for you, we're gonna do a garnish.
Yeah, I felt like it should be garnished with lemon.
Lemon Swath.
Yeah.
Swath?
I think that makes sense for this this cocktail.
Okay, that's what Harry Craig says.
It seems like he knew his stuff.
He sure does. Yeah. So like you know your stuff too.
On certain topics.
Yeah, I can see that. Well, sir, this is the Jabberwocky. I hope you enjoy it.
Let me give it a try.
All right, cheers, sir.
Cheers, Chris. You said it was Chris?
It is Chris. Yeah, Chris. Well, sir, what do you think?
I mean, it's a very complex cocktail.
Okay.
The first note I get is that dry sherry. I mean, that's really the most
comes out
powerful.
first.
Yeah,
Okay.
the most powerful flavor in this cocktail.
Okay.
You're getting some of that sweetness from the Lillet.
Okay. Makes sense.
And a little bit of gin there, and just a hint of that orange bitters.
Oh.
It's a very good cocktail.
Oh, glad you like it.
Yeah, the Jabberwocky.
Excellent, the Jabberwocky.
Yeah, thank you.
You're very welcome. Well, since you like this cocktail, please like the Blue Collar Bar. Come back for more. Subscribe for many more cocktails. And we're also on Instagram.
Oh, Instagram, great. I like Instagram.
Make sure you follow us there.
I will.
At the Blue Collar Bartender.
Fantastic.
Oh, thanks a lot, sir.
Oh, thank you so much.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, Chris.
Bye.